In this video, we're going to go over how to integrate Deadline Funnel with HighLevel. Now, before you begin this integration, you'll need to go ahead and set up your first evergreen campaign within Deadline Funnel because each Deadline Funnel campaign gets its own API integration. First thing we want to do is go up and click Integrations at the top. Find the campaign that you want to integrate and click New Integration. Leave Create Deadline Funnel Tracking selected and click Next. Here, you can type in the search box to find HighLevel. Select that and click Next. Now it's time to find your API key. You do that in HighLevel, go down to Settings. Then in this Company Data box, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find your API key. Copy that and paste it over into Deadline Funnel and click Integrate. Now here you'll already have to have a custom field created within HighLevel that you want to use for your deadline date and time text. And in this drop-down menu, you simply select it. For this, we use deadline text. So the most important thing here is that the text that you use is unique and identifiable, something you're going to remember for this campaign so that you can enter that custom field into an email later, and then it'll auto-populate the text, date and time of your subscriber's actual deadline. After you select which one you want it to be, go ahead and copy that webhook, then go on back over to HighLevel. Once we're there, we click on Workflows. And you can either create a workflow, but I've already got one here. I'm going to click on this. With this particular workflow, I have it set to trigger once a contact gets the tag deadline start. You can have it triggered in whatever way is applicable to your situation. But after it is triggered, what we want to do is click the plus and then search for webhook. Click on webhook and then paste that webhook URL that we just got from Deadline Funnel right into there and then click Save. That is going to trigger your Deadline Funnel campaign to start counting down for that subscriber. Then you can send an email if you want, welcoming them to the campaign, or again, whatever is applicable in your situation. Now, once that's done, you want to trigger that workflow manually. In this case, I would manually add that tag to a contact. Then I would give the workflow time enough to work, go back to Deadline Funnel, click on Analytics, and then once you're on the analytics page, you can choose which campaign you're working with in this drop-down. Once you select the correct campaign, you scroll down to the bottom below these charts and make sure that that subscriber is showing up under the People Tracked section. And one thing you want to make sure of, not to forget, is to go through all of your HighLevel emails and replace the links to any special offer with the Deadline Funnel email link for that page. If you have any problems with this or have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to shoot us an email at help@deadlinefunnel.com.